Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how you can beat the 6.6 million wallets that are currently farming the ZkSync era airdrop. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. And please note that none of this is a financial advice and it will totally depend on the ZkSync era team whether they would consider this criteria or not. Now if the snapshot is not done yet for ZkSync era, you still have time to do this, and I will exactly show you how your wallet can stand from rest of the competition. So if we go to Dune and check the current paymaster transaction on the ZkSync era, as you can see, out of the 6.6 plus million wallets that are currently farming the ZkSync era airdrop, only around 880k users have actually used the paymasters feature. Now if we look at the chart over here, it's like only around 140,000 users that have actually done more than 10 transactions with using the paymasters. Now if you don't know what paymasters is basically you can use any other token as a gas payment apart from Ethereum. So I will exactly go ahead and show you how you can do some transactions on paymasters. And once again, as I told you, this is not 100% guaranteed, and if the snapshot is not done yet and if ZkSync era team considers this as one of the top priority, then you can and your wallet will stand out of rest of the competition. Now in order to use this paymasters, all you have to do is you will need to use certain desk on the ZkSync era network. So for this I will consider the example of sync swap. Now basically while swapping over here, on the top right, as you can see, you have the option to select the token that you want to pay as gas fees. So basically in this example I will be using Duty's meme token in order to pay the gas fees, and I will be like swapping like few zkSync with Ethereum. So I will go ahead and unlock zkSync first, and we'll wait for the unlock to happen, and then I can go ahead and actually swap it. So for this the gas would be used at duties over here, and there are some other decks also which I will show you that you can actually go ahead and use them. Now this might help you get some better rank on ZkSync era airdrop eligibility criteria, although none of this is like assured. So let me go ahead and swap this one. I think there is some small network load on ZkSync. No, the transactions are going through. So as you can see, there is some gas refund also, and my actual cost is like only 0.05 worth of duties meme token. Now similarly you can do the similar thing on zkswap over here. So basically I will go ahead and swap some meow tokens for ETH. Now I think the gas fees, I mean the slippage for this is like 5% for meow, if I remember correctly. I will go ahead and check it. So I will just put 5, and let me swap some meow tokens for ETH over here. Now we'll wait for the transaction to over, and as you can see, the token that I've used for the gas with paymaster is like USDC. Now it's taking some time over here. Meanwhile I will show you on Velocor. Now on Velocor also you can do the similar thing. Basically you can go ahead and swap some of the other coins and tokens to maybe Ethereum or some other coins, and over here I have used the paymaster as USDT in order to pay the gas fees. Now you can do the similar thing on mute over here. On the top right you will need to click the emoji icon, connect your wallet and swap with any other token. So you can use koi maybe as paymaster, and similarly you can do the similar thing with koi network over here. So I will simply go ahead and search for koi network. It's not showing for some reason, but if you are doing the layer 3 quest then it would show, and basically you can use some other tokens in order to pay the gas fees. Now there is this transaction has been stuck for some reason, I don't know, but yeah, this is how you can use the paymasters feature, and hopefully your wallet gets in this more than top 10 transactions over here. So this is all for this video, and in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.